Alexa, buy house. Alexa, check today's calendar.
Today, there are 2 events remaining. At 5 p.m. there's meet with Elon Musk for dinner, and at 6:30 p.m. there's Ignacio at Boys Night Out.
Alexa, broadcast.
What's the announcement?
I'll be back in 10 minutes.
Announcing.
I'll be back in 10 minutes.
Yay!
Hi everyone, this is my Echo, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up some cool automations like the ones that I just showed you using your Echo Auto and the Alexa app. Okay, so first download the Alexa app on your phone or your tablet, and then open the app, and to add a new device, tap on the plus icon and then on add device. Once you're here, select Amazon Echo and then the Echo Auto. And from here it should be pretty easy. Just follow the steps to finish the installation, and if the Amazon Echo is properly plugged in your Tesla, it should get detected automatically during this process. If you want to be able to use voice control to access your email and calendar from your Tesla, let's see how to configure that. We go to the menu and here we select settings. Look for email and calendar and just add your email account. I'm gonna add my Gmail. I'm gonna check both email and calendar, and I'll just add my email here. Okay, I'm gonna allow Alexa to access my email and calendar, and that's it. Now if we go back to calendar and email, we'll see my account has been added. To add an Alexa skill, go to the menu and then tap on Skills and Games. These are all the skills that I have installed, but if I want to add a new one, I'll tap on Discover and then search, in this case for Starbucks. Okay, then I'm going to choose the Starbucks skill and I'm going to enable it. This is not all. Apart from enabling the skill, I need to actually configure it, and we'll do the configuration just by linking our Starbucks account. Now I need to authorize the Starbucks app to be accessed by Alexa, and now we're in. In this case, you need to choose your default store and your default order, so it's easier to order using the voice commands. Another type of very useful Alexa skills are the music ones, especially if you're not a Spotify or a Slacker user. So you could, for example, integrate with Apple Music or with Pandora. And I'm going to search for the Pandora skill. Click on the skill and enable. And here again, we need to authorize Alexa to access Pandora. Approve. And there we go. And now we can play music through Alexa using Pandora as our music streaming service. From the Alexa app, you can also create routine. For example, I'm going to show you how to create a simple routine so when I leave my home, Alexa makes sure that the AC is off and the door is locked. For that, I want to tap on the menu, then go to routines and create a new routine. So first of all, I'm going to set up the trigger. And I want this routine to get triggered when I say, for example, Alexa, buy house. Okay, and now I'm going to add the actions. First thing I want to happen is to lock my back door. Awesome. And second thing I want to happen is to set the thermostat to a lower temperature so it doesn't run. Awesome. And this is my simple routine that I just set up.